Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today, I will give you a simple process to find the number of subsets of a set. Let A be a set containing elements small a1 and small a2. Number of elements of A equal to 2. Let us frame a table. This table contains elements of A1 and A2 in first row. And in second row, 0, 0. 0, 0 means no element. If we draw a curve passing through one element of first column and one element of second column, this is a curve. This curve represents a set containing elements A1 of the first column and no element of the second column. That is, we get a set A1. This A1 is subset of A. Now we take another curve which passes one element of first column and one element of second column. This curve represents a set containing no element of first column and A2 of the second column. Let name of this set is A2. Here we see that A2 is a subset of A. Now, third number. Let the curve passes through one element A1 of first column and one element A2 of second column. This curve represents one element A1 of first column and one element of second column. Let name of this set is A3. Since A3 is subset of A. Next, let a curve passes through one element 0 of the first column and 0 of the second column. This curve represents no element of first column and no element of second column. Let this set is A4. This set is called empty set. Since A4 is empty set is subset of A. So, the possible number of curves before and possible number of subsets also before. Since number of possible curves means this curve passes through one element of first column and one element of second column, and number of such type of curves before and number of subsets be also 4. Therefore, number of possible curves means number of possible subsets. We calculate this as number of entities in first column be 2 and number of entities in second column be 2. The number of possible curves be 2 multiply 2 means 2 square means 4. And in this way, we may get number of possible curves. This concept came from the knowledge of D table. The concept of D table was given by me. D means D.N.Garain. I wrote an article in 2002. The title of the article was Formation of D table to find the number of ways to do a work. It was published in the journal Bulletin of Pure and Applied Sciences, volume 21E in 2002. In this article, I have given the details concept of D table, and with the help of the concept of D table, we may solve specific type of problems very easily. I have also delivered YouTube lecture. The name of the lecture is Solution of Most Confusing Problem of Chapter Permutation and Combination, Lecture 1. You will get this lecture in YouTube channel Mathematics by Dr.D.N.Garain, and you will understand the concept of D table very easily. Here, from this particular example, we may conclude that we frame the D table and we write the number of entities in different columns, and if we multiply these numbers, we get number of possible curves, and number of possible curves means number of possible subsets here. Now I generalize this. Let A be a set containing elements small a1, small a2, small a3, dot dot dot, small an. Number of elements in A equal to n. Now we frame D table. We firstly write the elements of A in first row, and in the second row we write 0 0 0 0 0, means no element. If we draw a curve like this curve represents a set containing elements A1 of first column, no element of the second column, no element of third column, and no element of other columns. This means this is a set. This set is a subset of A. Similarly, if we take one element A1 from first column, one element A2 from second column, and 0 from third column and 0 from other columns. This curve represents a set containing A1 from first column, A2 from second column, and no elements from other columns. Means this is another set, and this set A2 is subset of A. And in this way, if we draw curve which passes through one element of each column, then this curve represents a set. That set will be the subset of the original set A. And in D table, it has been given that number of possible curves is obtained by multiplying here number of entities of the first column, number of entities of the second column, number of entities of third column, and number of entities of other columns. That means number of possible curves equal to 2 multiply n times, that is 2 to the power n. Here we see that each curve represents a set which is subset of original set A. Therefore, number of possible curves means number of subsets. Therefore, number of subsets equal to 2 to the power n if the original set contains n number of elements. So, our problem is solved if any set contains p number of elements, then number of subsets will be 2 to the power p. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.